That's my first bag done, and there's a lot more to do. But anyhow, today we're cleaning up suburb or part of Sofia. 6 tires and counting, huh? Yeah, and this is the leader of the yeah.
It can be used to make something interesting for kids. It can be colored. I've seen some playgrounds very nice.
Yeah, we've got here. We've got loads of stuff down there, and that's like, how long have we been doing this now? An hour or less. Now we have to find some rubbish bins just to throw the rubbish away.
For Ralitza, because she's from Lyulin, maybe she can. Or no, we can take Google Maps. You know.
That's Lupin. I think that's what it was called. Cleaned, and my internet is working, and I've just been too little. Done.